Hello, everybody. This activity is called the Avalanche, and it's a movement activity. So if you will join me in standing up right where you're at, just make sure you have a little bit of space around you for this activity. And you're going to separate your legs just a little bit of a wider stance here. And then you're going to imagine that you are a mountain. With your legs being the base of the mountain and your feet really grounding into the ground, almost like they're big boulders that you can't lift up. And you want to keep your feet stuck to the ground like this for the whole activity. And then your arms become the sides of the mountain. And we're going to imagine that our mountain is having an avalanche. So an avalanche is when all the rocks and snow and debris that the mountain no longer needs come rushing down the mountain, and they really clean the mountain of anything it doesn't need. So we're going to imagine that our bodies are mountains and that they are having an avalanche, and we're going to move our body in a certain way so that we can get rid of some of the stuff like tension and muscle soreness that we might no longer need. So we're going to start with our head, and we're going to very gently, because avalanches start very slowly, we're going to very gently make circles with our heads. We do not want to make fast circles with our heads. Just very gently. We want to be careful with our neck and just slowly make these circles, not going too far forward or too far back. And then we want to reverse directions and go the opposite way. So slow. And then bring our head to stillness. Now we want to roll our shoulders. So we're going to roll our shoulders back. So we're going to shrug up and roll our shoulders back as this avalanche moves down our body into our shoulders. We can maybe go just a little bit faster, not too fast, just a little bit faster, rolling our shoulders back. And then we're going to reverse directions and roll our shoulders forward. And then as the avalanche comes down, farther down the mountain, we're going to take our arms and we're going to make circles with our arms. You're going to circle your arms forward, and you can even pick up a little bit of speed, just a little bit, nothing crazy. You want to keep your feet stuck to the ground. So if you're moving so fast that your feet are no longer stuck to the ground, you want to slow it down just a little bit. But our avalanche is really kind of picking up speed here, and then we're going to stop, and then we're going to go back the other way, circling our arms the other way. And then we're going to stop, and now the avalanche is coming down the middle part of our mountain. So keeping your feet just where they're at, you're going to circle your hips, making big circles with your hips, almost like you're hula hooping, if you've ever done that before, or maybe just some kind of fancy dance you're doing, but making sure your feet are stuck to the ground because that base of the mountain does not move. And then you're going to reverse directions, circling in the opposite way. You might kind of feel like you want to laugh, which is perfectly okay. Kind of silly movements we're making here. And then we're going to stop with our hip circles. And now, keeping your feet stuck to the ground, here is the final part of our avalanche. You're going to move your knees in and out. So moving your knees in and out with your feet stuck to the ground. So don't do it so fast that your feet come off the ground. You can even add your arms in. It's kind of like a little funny dance we can do as we do this. And then you're going to come into stillness as our avalanche leaves out of our feet into the ground. Closing your eyes, just take a moment to notice how your body feels. And then when you're ready, opening your eyes and returning to the room. And that is the avalanche. Thank you for joining me.